AI-powered maintenance for high-risk environments. Iris is revolutionizing confined space maintenance, transforming high-risk manual maintenance into connected, data-driven operations, unlocking safer, faster, and scalable mission delivery. Maintainers working inside confined spaces face hazardous conditions, low visibility, and zero tolerance for error. Standard processes require hours of work in complete isolation, introducing risks and slowing timelines. With Iris, UL-certified two-way audio and video deliver real-time visibility into critical maintenance, keeping teams connected, informed, and in control. Instantly search across maintenance session videos to automatically build work orders and engineering technical questions. Then chat with an AI assistant grounded in your full knowledge base to surface insights and accelerate decisions. Iris delivers results. Maintainers are safer with reduced exposure to hazardous environments and real-time remote visibility and communication. Execution is faster with live support, visual context, and reduced rework. Knowledge sharing is scalable with the ability to capture and reuse maintenance expertise to improve training and reduce time to proficiency. Iris is the only solution that transforms maintenance into a connected, intelligent workflow by combining intrinsically safe hardware, real-time communication, and AI-powered knowledge capture. AI-powered video intelligence, a searchable digital logbook, and an integrated maintenance workspace unify all maintenance activity and documentation to a shared operational context. Iris supports teams operating in hazardous, complex, and mission-critical environments. Maintainers execute tasks with real-time support while maintaining full control of the work. Safety officers monitor operations remotely. Engineers access visual evidence and historical context, and operations leaders improve readiness, reduce downtime, enable predictive maintenance, and scale expertise across teams. With field deployment underway, Iris is providing real impact to U.S. Air Force sustainment operations. Tests have demonstrated 7,000 days of aircraft availability gain, as well as the potential to recover over 35,000 work hours per year. All that in addition to real-time remote oversight and 100% digitally captured maintenance sessions. Built for mission readiness, Iris enables organizations to improve safety, accelerate maintenance, and preserve critical knowledge, transforming how high-risk operations are executed and sustained. Iris is available on the Tradewinds Solutions Marketplace as well as Platform One. Learn more, request a demo, or connect with the Iris team at metrostar.com/iris.